Okay, today we are gonna put LED lights in this car, the 315,000 miles Nissan Pathfinder. So we're gonna replace the low lights here. I'm gonna remove this plastic just because it bothers me, but you can also do it without that. I already removed the plug to test it if it was correct, and it is correct. So we remove the low beam. Okay, see, so you have to unplug those two, and then just pull it out from here, from here. And there's another one here. Actually, you don't have to remove all of them, because once you remove the first three, it's already out of the way, so you're fine for working. So basically, you unplug, pushing here. This is the new one, LED, but you unplug it from there, and then you're gonna rotate it to the center of the engine, and you're gonna remove the old light. That I'm gonna keep it just for emergency, and then you're gonna twist in the new LED that you bought. That is gonna have the ballast here, so you really want to have it in the way that you can have the ballast on this side, like that. So you find the right three spots right there, you push it in, and then you twist it. Okay, so now it's already in, but there is one that is bigger than the other two, so you really have to find it, and in this case it's on the outside, and you push it and you twist it clockwise like this. See, now it's in perfectly, and basically you just plug it in and the game is done. But then you're gonna have to find a position for the ballast. That the manufacturer, the vendor, provides zip ties to secure this somewhere. We're gonna check where it is. See, what I was talking about is that this one on the top is larger than the two here, and it's gonna be on that side. Okay, I attached it like here. Remember that inside is a fan to cool it down, so you don't want to really leave this in front, but like this is gonna be on the side, it's fine. Okay, let's check the other side, and then we're gonna check it out. How better is the light at night? Okay, on the other side there is less space because of the reservoir for the steering, but that's what it is. Yes, that's again where it is, the connector here, right there. That's where you have to turn. This time you have to turn, you always have to turn counterclockwise, no? So this time is to the external of the car. So always remember this. See, like that, and then you turn clockwise, right there. Good. You plug it in, you're good to go. And also here we're gonna connect it, attach it here on the top. Yeah, let's just try to find a good position. And obviously those little zip ties they give you, they're worth nothing. They're very, very, very delicate. So I suggest you to get new one. I'm gonna go look for a new one. I just want to put it there. You cannot really pull it, nothing. Okay, that's it. Done. It's gonna be free there and it's gonna be fine. Then you put the cover back, you're good to go. Your new LED lights on the Nissan, and we're gonna check it later how the light looks like. See, those are 5K, so the light is very bright. And then it's gonna be much better than before, of course. Okay, it's time to test the LED lights on these 858 miles. Let's go. Let's see how they look like. Ooh, wow! Never seen anything like that. Let's go where it's dark. Okay, here we are. This road is particularly dark. Oh wow. Compared to before, it looks like this is a new car. It doesn't have anything to do. Look, now when I'm gonna put the high beams, you're probably not gonna see the difference. See that? Look at that. These are high beams. You're not gonna see the difference. You just see yellow. Because this light now, it's amazing. Really changed completely. Before I was not almost able to see anything. I had to go with the head highlights all the time. Look at that. Now it's like daylight. I'm gonna probably change also the uplight, headlight, because it looks like a different car. It's nothing to do. It looks like I changed the whole lights. Okay, completely different. I suggest you to do this. This car is old. They never changed anything before or now, but the light was becoming really too dark, too difficult to see anything. Look at that now. Wow, look at that. Actually, you make it worse with the headlights. It makes it worse. Okay, beautiful. Again, this oldie car, it's like new now. Bright, bright, bright. Better than the Mercedes. Really satisfied of that. Okay, because I was really happy for my low beam LEDs, I got also the high beams for. Okay, because I was really happy for my low beams for my super 316,000 miles Nissan, I also got the high beams, and today we are gonna install those. Those are probably the easier to install. You don't have to remove anything because they go right there. And the other side, even easier, is right here. And it goes, and it's that. So I'm gonna have new light in 2 minutes. Okay, let's see the open box. How do they look like? They're very similar to the other one. The only different part, in my case, is gonna be here. The O-ring and the seal. Actually, those one they made, looks like the cable they made short. And it's better because there is not too much space, but they look very similar to the low beams. Okay, so basically you need a screwdriver to unlock the connector right there, and then you pull the bolt out, just turning left side. Now we're gonna verify if it is the same, but it looks like it is. Oops. So the most difficult part is not to do the job, is to make the video. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and this is what it looks like, the new one. So it looks like you made it again, really. Okay, stay there please. Now I'm gonna have to redo the video from zero, please. Okay, so looks like it's gonna work. So you have to twist it a little bit to the left. To go in. Now you can see really clear from there. See? Just push it and turn it clockwise. That's it, done. And then you connect two connectors. You're done. This side I did it first because it's the most difficult. There is less space. But you see, even like that, it's not so difficult. That. Now we're going to put some zip ties to secure that. So what I did, I made a hole here with the screwdriver because I don't see any other place where I can hook it up. And that's it. I'm gonna make two holes, two zip ties, the one they give it to you, that are really small, but I always forget to get my zip ties. It's okay, don't pull it too much and they're gonna be fine. So like that, it stays in a pretty good spot. I put the second one here. Right there. Then we'll see on the other side what it is. That's it. I'm gonna test later. It gets darker. Maybe even tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna leave early. See? You leave it like that. It's pretty nice. Because you always want to have this free because of the fan. The other side is much easier. You have all the space you want. Actually, you don't see anything. It's always difficult the first time because the connectors, they try to stick. And you do always turn to the left and pull it out. Easy. And the new guy is gonna go like that. Push it. This one you have to push a little bit in. Turn. Then look how long we took here. 20 seconds. Not even. Done. Takes more time to find a place where to put the zip ties. I guess here I'm gonna do the same, because there is no other place where to put those zip ties. This is the easiest one. So because this side you have all the boxes for the fuses, you don't really want to obstruct that, because that's something you're gonna have to check once in a while. Well, most of the fuses they break are inside the car for this model, but still you have a relays here. Right there. And then you're gonna do like this, always away from the fan. And secure it. Gonna pull it. It's gonna break. I guess for now, until it's gonna be darker, we are done. That's it. Done. Perfect. So because I really loved the low beam LED, like you see, pretty good, in my almost 317,000 miles Nissan, I also put the high beam, like we have seen before. Look at that. So this is the low beam. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Now let's try the high beam. Whoa! Look at that. It's like a new car, a 2022 car. Look at that. How beautiful is this light? Now I'm gonna drive at night like a warrior. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Just spending like 35 and 30, yeah, like $70 in lights. You change your life completely. Driving at night now is gonna be fun. Look at that. How crazy is that, huh? Look at that. I can see the end of the land over there. Beautiful. Look at that. How much light? Wow, amazing. I thought it was not possible to have my car back. I had to change the lights completely. Instead, I just replaced the bulbs. Look at that. Look at the result. Amazing. It's like double the distance. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I can see everything, even on the highway. If there is an animal there, I can see it.